So over here, you can see that I got these slides in certain order, and you can see the slide order represented by the number that you see over here on the left. For example, over here, there's 1, 2, 3, as you can see right here, which are numbered around. So over here in 1, you can see that this is what you have, and this is number 2 and 3 right here. But let's say this is the agenda slide, and I want it to be the second slide right here. In that case, all you need to do is click and drag up the slide around over here on the top right here. And what happens is that it gets rearranged out right here just like this. So you can see that now this is in slide number 2. Similarly, all you need to do right here to rearrange out the slides is click and drag out the slides that you have right here just like this. If you were to go ahead and right click, you don't really have the option right here to rearrange. So to rearrange, you simply need to go ahead and click and drag it out right here just like that. And that is how you can reorder the slides inside of Terabox. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.